I think this is a common issue with the Honeywell air purifier. There's a lot of rattling. It's just gone away now. And it's coming back. Let me just take the microphone to the knee. Can you hear that rattling? I'll turn the fan off and it'll disappear. Do you hear that rattling? So I'm not so sure about what's going on with these fans. I've got two of them with exactly the same issue. So I'm going to contact Honeywell and find out what they've got to say about this basically.